So we will start first. So Lakshana, as you can see, like what we did yesterday, you don't need to copy the questions. The questions will be sent to you at the end of today's lesson. I think yesterday's slides have not been sent over, but they will be sent over. They will be sent over to you shortly, lah. Not to worry. So we have 25 questions. We will cover as many as we can. We don't need to do all of them, doesn't matter. But what you need to know is the questions are grouped. So question 1 to question 5, okay, are the same type of questions. Question 6 to 11 will be, question 6 to 10 will be the same type of questions. Questions 11 to 14 will be the same type of questions, so on and so forth. Understand, Lakshana? So we will do them in groups. So in each group, I will do the first question. I will guide you all through the second and third question. And maybe in the fourth question, I will ask you all to try yourselves and show me the answers on the screen. Then the last question will be you all do it at home on your own. Okay? Can? Okay, we're going to start with the first question. Now, this is a question that I believe you might not have seen in school before. Okay, the model drawing is a bit unique. So you all will need to look very closely at how I do this question. Okay, so we have 6 bags and 9 shoes. We know the total amount. All right. We also know that one bag costs 28 more than the shoes. We are asked to find the cost of a bag. So how do I do this question? I'm going to draw model in this way. Look very closely. First, I'm going to draw the models for the bags. Okay, there are 6 bags, which means I am going to draw 6 bars. Okay, so I have 6 bags. Everybody can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One thing can see? Now, we know that each bag is $28 more than the shoes. So, Lakshana, do you agree that one shoe is going to be shorter than the bar for the bag? So one shoe is going to be like that. Agree?
Yes.
Shorter than the bag. One thing agree? One shoe?
Yes.
Now, how many shoes are there? There are 9 pairs of shoes. So we need to draw 9 bars horizontally downwards. Okay? It's a bit of much to draw, but let's just bear with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I'm just going to erase the last bar because there's too many. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 shoes. Everybody can see that? Now, what is the difference if I were to draw a dotted line down? Okay, may I know, Wen-Xing, what is this yellow shaded part that I highlighted? How much? What can I label for that yellow shaded part?
$29. I mean
29?
28.
28, good. Because each bag costs 28 more than the shoe. So each of that yellow shaded bar, okay, I am going to label $28. Lakshana, agree? So I'm going to label 28 all the way down because we have 6 bags. The last important piece of information is the total amount of money, which is 288. Lakshana, are you familiar with this curly bracket that I've drawn?
Yes.
So that means the total for the 6 bags and 9 shoes is 288. We are good? Okay, so now we need to find the cost of one bag. How are we going to do that? So if you realize, let me draw your attention to something. If I were to draw an orange line down like that, do you see this long rectangle that I have drawn? How many shoes are there in the orange rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do you see I have 15 shoes? That is not including the $28 bar that I have on the right. Correct? So the orange rectangle, Wensing and Lakshana, is 15 shoes. Do we agree? Wensing, you agree? Okay, so how much is 15 shoes? 15 shoes, the cost of 15 shoes, okay, is the cost of $288. Subtract the yellow portion. Do we agree? I repeat, 15 shoes will be the total amount, 288, minus this chunk of $28. Wensing and Lakshana agree? So I'm going to take $15. What $15? Sorry. I'm going to take 288, okay, minus $28 times 6. Okay, before we do that, it's a bit confusing. Let me stop for a while. Instead of writing this, okay, let's find first the cost, the difference. The difference is the yellow portion that I mentioned just now. Okay, the difference is this part. Everybody can see the difference that I'm highlighting in yellow? The $28 times 6. Okay, so the difference is 28 times 6. So very quickly, I'm just going to do a quick multiplication at the side. 8, 6, 48. I carry over the 4. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 4 is 16. Lakshana, you know how I got that? 168? Good, so 168.
Yes.
So I know the difference is yellow color. This entire portion here is 168. Correct, Lakshana? So how do I find 15 shoes? Okay, I take 288 minus the difference, which is 168. Can? Wensing understand? Lakshana understand? Okay, so 288 minus 168, very simple. I have 120. So if I know the price of 15 shoes, what is the next step, Lakshana? Naturally. I know 15 shoes, so what is the next step? I find what?
What is the cost of the bags?
Before I find the cost of the bag, what do I first need to find? I know 15
Shoes?
shoes. Sorry?
Divide the shoes.
So I find one pair of shoe, correct? So I take 120 divide by 15. Now this is a bit of a complicated division, so I'll just help you. It's $8. Okay? So 15 times 8, you will realize is 40. 8 plus 4 is 12. That's how I got $8. So I'm not done. I now have the price of one pair of shoes. Wensing, the next step, I can find the cost of each bag. Agree, Wensing? How do I find the each bag? I take $8. What do I do with it? Wensing, what do I do to find the cost of the bag? I'm saying the information is here. So how do I find the cost of the bag? One thing, I'm waiting for you. It's not easy. It's not difficult. What do I do with $8? Can you tell the class? Hey, read here. The information is here. So what do I do, Wen Xing? Wen Xing, do you know what's going on or are you lost? Wen Xing, I need you to respond. If not, I cannot continue with class. Lakshana is also waiting for you.
I lost.
You are lost? We have found the price of one bag. This is the price of one bag. Sorry, we have found the price of one shoe. This is $8. So this is $8. So how do I find the price of the bag? The bag is like that. How do I find the price?
That's $28.
What? 8 plus?
28.
Yes. So 8 plus 28 is 36. Okay, I think some of you need me to repeat how to do this question. One thing, can you please pay attention when I'm talking? Listen very closely. Hello? Okay, look at the model first. I have 6 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Agree? One thing? I have 9 shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you see that? The difference between one bag and one shoe is $28. Therefore, I have this entire chunk here of extra $28 from the 6 shoes. Do you see that in yellow? Good. So now I'm going to find everything on the left-hand side, the orange box that I have drawn. This orange box. Okay, I'm going to repeat drawing the orange box. This orange box consists of only shoes or bags, Wen Xing. This orange box consists of only shoes or bags. Shoes or bags. Can you tell me?
Shoes.
Huh?
Shoes.
Good, because it's a shorter bar, correct? So how many shoes do I have? I have 6 plus 9, which is 15. Correct, Wen Xing? But in order to find these 15 shoes, I need to get rid of this extra portion of money, which is the difference between the shoes and the bags and the shoes. Correct, Wen Xing? So the difference here is 28 times 6. So to find the 15 shoes, I need to take the total amount minus this extra 28 times 6, which is 168. Are you following? So now I have 15 shoes. I can straight away find the cost of one shoe. After I find one shoe, I can